Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 164 East Lake Road on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular Canandaigua Lake dream home with over 300 feet of pristine waterfront and over 5 acres.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This remarkable lake house focuses on the unbelievable views with this signature great room. Featuring a designer kitchen with soft close cherry cabinetry by Birch, high-end stainless steel appliances, and a center island breakfast bar. Open to the dining area and vaulted ceiling living area with the hallmark of this home, a 2-story fireplace and a wall of windows. All with scenic lake views.
Imagine waking up in this luxurious first floor owner's suite with a spa bathroom and walk-in closet. All with an adjacent screened-in porch to enjoy the breeze and have a cozy outdoor fire. The first floor also features a farmhouse-style laundry room, a full bathroom, and a beautiful second bedroom with water views. This marvelous second floor is great for family and friends, with an expansive landing for all those fun lake games, 3 spacious bedrooms, and 2 full bathrooms, all with those scenic lake views.
This is the way to enjoy million-dollar views of Canandaigua Lake with a 2-tiered entertainer's dream deck with relaxing rockers, a dining area, and a lower deck with an expansive sitting area, covered slate patio, and infinity-style hot tub with sensational views. This is the resort lake lifestyle you dream of, with over 300 feet of pristine waterfront with a permanent dock with a dining area, a sitting area, a sun basking area, and a fire pit. Plus, an expansive dock for all your boating needs. The views will take your breath away. Imagine watching the sunset shimmer over the water.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 164 East Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!